तू जो मुझे या मिला, सपने हुए सर फिरे, हाथों में आते नहीं, उड़ते हैं लम्हे मेरे, मेरी हंसी तुझसे, मेरी खुशी तुझसे, तुझे खबर क्या।
Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today we'll start the FTP programming in socket. So first thing is, what is FTP? FTP means file transfer protocol. When you downloading any content or any file from the server, then what will happen? Server will sending actual the content of that file. Then operating system what will do? It will be create the blank file in the local system and copy that content into that file, and then will save it, and when you open that file we think that it will be downloading. It is actually not downloading, actually it is sending the transfer content of that documents of that file. Then operating system will be create one new blank file, and that content will be pasted in the that new file. Then exec to save that file. Then when you open that file we think that what actually file is downloading. So same concept here, I will do the program. Okay, I will be create one server and one client. Then client will be send, when client will connect to the server, then server will send the list of files to the client. Then the client will be choose which file it want to download from the server. Then it will send request to the server. Server will be read that file and send to the client. Then client side I will be create one new file, and that content will be copied to that new file, and I will be open that file and check whether file content is copied from server to client or not. So now I will be create this program. So here I will write suppose gedit, okay, suppose ftp okay, server dot c, then here suppose write, okay, gedit, okay, ft client dot c. So you check here, you see, suppose here I will open the program. So when you open the program, you will first clear the basic things, that means two programs first connected, that is the basic. So here write suppose stdio.h, okay, here write suppose hash, okay, include string.h, okay, here suppose write hash include, okay, here write the string.h, suppose here write stdlib.h. Then I will write define the socket header files. What is that? Hash include, okay, then sys suppose socket sys types dot h, okay, then write next, okay, hash include, okay, then sys socket dot h, then next write hash include, okay, hash include will be write suppose orpa / inet dot h, okay, next write hash include, okay, hash include will be write suppose this is the orpa, okay, will write orpa / inet dot h, okay, next will write hash include net inet / ip dot h, okay, next write hash include, okay, net inet / in dot h, then next write hash include, okay, hash include unistd dot h. So here write suppose int main, okay, int main. So here I will be start the program. So before start you have to declare the socket. So how to declare socket? Int okay server fd is equal to will be write suppose socket okay here write suppose af underscore inet okay next write sock stream okay next write the ip here ip proto underscore tcp. Okay, so here it will close, then I will check whether error occur or not. So here write if server fd equals to -1 okay then here write p error socket creation failed okay then /n quit then exit 0 okay then next we will close this, then I will declare the internet structure struct sock addr underscore in okay I will declare the server, then next will be client okay then server okay dot scene family is equal to af underscore inet okay then write the server okay dot scene port is equal to HTONS okay suppose I have defined the port number 530. I will tell you if you are new to my channel then subscribe it, if you already subscribed then comment like and share, and if you are new to socket programming I have given the beginners tutorial in the socket programming in the description list, you can check and follow. Then next we will start suppose server dot scene underscore addr dot s underscore addr is equal to suppose inet underscore addr okay I will write 127.0.0.1 okay so here I will be clear the bind function bind b is equal to okay bind what to write here now I will declare the server fd okay I will declare server fd, then what is this now I will be write the suppose struct sock addr okay then ampersand server okay then write the size of server okay here write if b equals to -1 okay what to write here p error okay bind failure then close this okay then you will write the exit okay then next what to write okay then you will write the bind failure. So here what will do close it, then I will be declare the listen function okay listen function suppose here write the server fd okay server fd I have to 5 clients maybe connect to the server, so server fd and I have the 5. Then next okay int size is equal to size of okay I will write the server okay then I will call int suppose client fd is equal to accept okay I will write the accept okay so here I will declare suppose server fd okay then I will write the sock struct sock addr pointer okay ampersand suppose server client, you will write a client machine okay then you write ampersand size okay then next we write if client fd equals to -1 then connection incoming error then p error incoming error. So here close, then you write the exit okay close the bracket okay then you write printf connection accepted /n okay close then close it. and I will check compiled whether it is successful compiled or not. So before that I will be clear the screen. So here write, okay, here write system, okay, clear. Okay, so I will compile this program. So line 41 is the error, so I will check line 41. So here come to the line 41, 40 extra packet I have given, so I will close this. Okay, then success, yes, successful compiled it. Then what will do, I will make this code copy paste in the client side, because I do not want to repeat this code again and again. So here I will be copy up to, okay, bind, then I will copy this, okay, then I will be close and paste in the client side. Okay, so here what will do, here instead of server FD I will be write here client FD, but this is the client side program. So here client server, then you write the server FD, will be write here client FD. Okay, then close this, then I will be bind failure, not bind failure, it will write the C. Okay, you will write here connect, you want to connect the client, connect to the server. Then here will write if C equals to -1, if C equals to -1, then connection error, okay, connection error, then printf, you can write also printf connected. Okay, then I will save and compile this code, whether it is successfully compiled or not. So this is a client CLINT, client FD on declare 25, server FD 16 and 25. Okay, 16 and 25. 16 is the not server FD, client FD. So client it is. So I will be check whether successful. Okay, so now I will be want to connect with each other. So this is it ./a.out. Okay, so here write ./a.out. Okay, connected. Then here compile ./a.out, connected. Then now what I will do, I will be, okay, so here I will write, suppose after listen function my server is ready, printf, okay, server is ready. Okay, then I will tell you there is 3 functions which is important in the FTP program, that is the system, and inside the system will be passed the what are the argument I want to tell you, fwrite and fread, and file concept you have to know in C. So I want to tell you, suppose here if you write the ls, okay, you can type all these programs are there, that list I am to send to from client to server. So how to send it, you will write ls greater than suppose fb.txt. So that means all list, these lists are written into fb.txt file. When you type the suppose cat or gedit, okay, fb.text, then you can display that list. Okay, you can do this. Then this fb.text content I will be sent from client to server. Then you see how to send it. Okay, these things I will be used in my programs. Okay, so here what will do, after connection accepted, here you will be write, okay, system, inside the system you will be execute the operating system commands. So here write the ls, okay, greater than, okay, you will write suppose a list dot, text. Okay, so okay, then you will be read that content from a list dot text file and send to the server. Then how to send the server? So here we will declare, so char, okay, you will be declare, suppose data, okay, suppose I have given the say 5000, suppose that should up to maximum it will read the up to 5000 bytes. Okay, then how to read this data? Then I will be open the file, okay, then pointer fp is equal to f open, okay, f open, how to write, what will write now, what is the file name? I will write a, suppose list, a list, suppose a list dot txt. In which mode you have to open? Read mode, so that it will read the content from the file. Okay, then how to read that content? You will be write, okay, suppose f read function, okay, what will write now? It will be read the file and store the data, okay, and it will write read one by one character. So here you will be write the char, okay, and then that means one byte will read, and up to how much byte will read? Up to 5000 it will be read. Okay, then what to write now? From where it will read? From it will read from the files. Okay, then after I will be send this file into the client. So how to write it? Will be write, suppose data, okay, so here write the will be write here, okay, how to write here? You will write, suppose send the data, send, you will write the send function, okay, client fd, okay, you will pass the data, then write the, okay, size of, sorry, str len, okay, str len, suppose data, okay, then what is the flag? Flag is the 0. These things will be, okay, sent to the where na client machine. Then you see where it will be compiled and check whether successfully compiled or not. We just see it. So here I will be compile this program. Okay, so find the error undefined f open. Okay, f open, I have made the mistake. So here write the file, okay, f open open. Okay, so close and again run the program. Yes, successful compiled. So now what we will do? I will be send into the client side. So again client side will be how to read this. So here it will send from the server to client. So here will be use the, suppose int, suppose char data, okay, suppose here write the, suppose 5000 data will be read. Okay, suppose here int len is equal to, how to will be what to write here? Int len you will be write, suppose here write len, okay, is equal to suppose receive, okay, what is receive? You will write client fd, okay, client fd, then receive the data, okay, then size of, okay, size of will pass the data, okay, then flag is the 0. Okay, then I will print this, print f, okay, percentile will be passed, suppose percentile s, okay, then slash n, okay, then will pass the data. Before that you will be add the null character to the data. Then how to add the null character? Here will pass, okay, data len, okay, is equal to add the null character. Okay, then see here, first compile, is compiled successful. Then I will compile this program, whether successful compiled or not. Yes, compiled. Then run this program. Okay, server is ready. Then compile this program. Okay, /a.out. You can find the list of files are there, come from the server to client. So one thing I want to make it systematic, so that server will be first client will be read the data from the server side. It will take minimum 2 to 5 to 6. Suppose you declare int I. Okay, so here write for I is equal to 0, I less than, okay, suppose 10, okay, I plus plus. Okay, before send the data, it will first take, suppose here write the sleep. That means my program will be sleep for the 1 up to 10 seconds. Okay, so same thing. Okay, I will be write here server, I will be write here printf server collecting the files, server collecting files. Okay, so here will close. Then same concept, same thing, I will be here copy and paste and paste in the server side. Okay, so in server side what will do here? Okay, before receiving I will be before displaying. Okay, so here suppose I will be paste this. Okay, then here write the client reading files from the server, client reading files, client waiting files, waiting files from server, from server. So then so you will check here, I will be running this program. Okay, so server is ready. Then here also int declare, but I have not declared the I. So what will we do here? Declare the I. So I will run this program. You just see whether it is working or not. So client is waiting files, server collecting files. So after 10 seconds it will display all the files. So check this. Okay, so it will be display all this. That means server searching the files and client also waiting for the files. So next what will happen? Server will choose client will choose one file and send to the server. Okay, so client will choose one file and send to the server. So what will write here? It will write printf. Okay, printf enter file name to download, download from server. Okay, so here, okay, what to write here? We will write suppose scanf okay, write a percentile s, okay, f name, file name. So this f name I have to declare here. Suppose char f name, suppose 20. Okay, this file will send and send to the server. And how to send this? I will be again, instead of these things, I will be here copy and paste, so that time will be saved. Instead of receive, I will be declare the write the send function here. Client fd, what is the data I want to send? F name. Okay, then what is the size? Size will be here I write the strlen. Okay, we will pass the size, pass the f name. Okay, then 0. Then these things will be sent to the server. Okay, client to the server. Then here will go and server will receive that file name. So what to write here? Will be write suppose char f name, okay, 20. Okay, then here write suppose int suppose receive int fn file fn length is equal to, will write call the receive function. Instead of receive function you will paste here. Then you will use client fd. Then what is the data will be received? That is called f name. Okay, then what is the size of the will be pass the f name. Okay, f name file, then 0. Okay, then what to write here? will be fname will be add the null character to the fname. So here write fn, okay, underscore length, okay, then will be add the null character, okay. So okay, null character will be added. So what will happen, this file will be received from the client's server. So then what will do here, it will open the first close this file name. So f close, okay, fp I will close this because it is a previous file, okay. So here again read the same file content, okay. So again I will open again fp is equal to f open, okay, that file it will open the file which is requested from the client side. You will write fname, okay, you will write the read method, okay, then it will open the read method, okay. Then it will be open and write in the variable. Then how to write, suppose here I will write the suppose char, okay, fn content, I will write fn content, okay, fn content, suppose here write the 5000, okay. Then what will do here, you will write here f read, okay, f read, what will write here, you will write suppose you will pass fn you will write fn content, file content, okay. Then what is the, you will write the size of, okay, char, and total it will write up to 5000 byte, and then will be pass the fp file pointer, okay, fp file pointer. Then I will be send this content, okay, send the content to the client machine. Then how to send this, will be write here, okay, send, okay, you will be write client fd, then will pass the fin file contents, okay, file content, okay, then will write the fn content, okay, fn content, then will be pass, okay, strlen, okay, strlen, what will pass here, will pass the fn content, fn contents, fn content, then will pass the 0, okay. I have sent the content of the file to the client, okay. So again I will be display here, okay, close this, and first I will compile, okay. Then yes, successful compile, then go to the client side and display that content again by receiving again. Here will write what, na char, suppose fn content, same content, okay, suppose 5000, okay. So here I will first received it int fn length, fn length is equal to, what will write here, will be write suppose a receive, okay, receive. So here will be pass suppose client fd, okay. Then what is the fn content, okay, then will be write, okay, suppose size of fn content, okay, then will pass the, okay, 0. Then I will be display this first, then after display, then I will be, okay, write into the files, okay. So here write s, okay, then I will write the before that I will be add the null character. So how to add the null character, will be write fn content, okay, fn content will pass the fn length, file length, okay. So it will add the null character, okay. Then printf percentage s, what to write here, fn underscore and content, okay. Then I will be run this program, what is successful running or not, you just check here. First I will compile this, okay. So it will be display null character, I have not given the symbol. So I will be add the extra character, extra single quotation, put to close this, then I will be compile, okay, it is successful running. Then I will be, okay, compile, then dot slash a.out. I will run the program. Server is ready. Then this is also I will be compiled, and dot slash a.out I will be run. Suppose here it will be waiting for 10 seconds, so that server is reading for files and client is waiting for the files from the server. So what will happen here? It will be display list of files. Suppose here I want to read that sh file. So here I will be send request to the from client to server. So here I will send this file name. Okay, then I will press the enter. Okay, then you can see that which file I have sent from client to server, it will be display in the client server. Okay, then I will write into the file. So what will do here, I will be again open this the new file name. Suppose here what will write, suppose I will declare the new file name. Suppose file, okay, I will declare suppose fp is equal to f open. Okay, here I will, what is the file name I have given. Suppose here we enter the file name, printf, enter new file name, okay. So here you will write suppose new char new name. Okay, suppose here write 20. Okay, so here write the 20, then here write suppose new then suppose I have declared before that. Okay, so here write the scanf will write percentile, okay, percentile s, okay, then new name. Okay, close this. Then f open will be write the new name. Okay, then here is the write. Okay, then which mode I have to open, read write mode, so that new file name will be new file. In my new file the existing content from the server, it should be copied here. So what will write here, will be write f write. Okay, f write, what will write here will be write the f new name, will write the new name. Okay, new name. Then what is the size of char, 1 byte it will write. Then how much byte it will write, suppose here write the suppose this the content, fn content will write. Okay, suppose strlen, okay, you will write. Okay, we will write suppose fn content, this content which I want to display, I will write this. Okay, so here I will paste this. Okay, then close. Then which file pointer, suppose fp. Okay, so I will be now remove this, I do not want to display in the server. Okay, so and then I will close this file, f close. Okay, f close, I will be declare fp. Then I will be check whether downloaded from the server, that will be created in a client machine by creating files or not. So here I will compile, yes, run my program running. Then again also same, here I will compile, successful running. So waiting files from the server side. So I am waiting for 10 seconds because it is time taking to search from the server. So what will happen here, I will be file name, suppose here I will be sort.sh, I will create copy. Okay, so here I will place, that means it want to download from the server. So it will sort.sh file is copied, then enter new file name. I will take a sort dot sh. So I will be check that whatever files is stored in sh.sh, it is copied into as.sh or not. So here I will write suppose gedit sort.sh, you can check this is the file content, and again I will close this and download this file in client side, it will be copied in this file or not. So here I write gedit, okay, sort.sh. So here I have to find that some problem. So here go to the main program. So check the white this thing is happened. So here you write percentage new name, file F pointer you F open. So write the new name, W mode, write F write new name, you write the new name, not new name. What to write here? Instead of a new name, sorry, I have made a mistake. So here you write the content, FN content. Okay, you write the FN content. I have mistake this. So you write FN content. I want to write the file content. Okay, then you save this, then quit. Okay, then I will run again. Okay, then also client side I will run the programs. Waiting for the files. So check whether it is collecting files from the server and I write into new files or not. So here enter the file to download. Suppose I will write sort.sh. Okay, then new file name, suppose big sh sort dot sh file. So here write it gedit. Okay, I will write the beam sort dot sh. Okay, same files I have written in this same file beam dot sh files, also same as your gedit sort dot sh. Okay, so I think you have understood how to run the FTP program. FTP means if there is one server, there is one client, and server will send a list of files to the client. Client will be read that files and will again choose one file and send to the server. Server will read that content from that particular file and send to the client. Client will be creating new file and save that content to that file. So I think you have understood properly. If you have understood properly, then like, comment and share of this video, and also if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, comment, like and share.